Right, so here we have a 1967 JCB 3C2. And this one features the new cab with a sliding door. Ooh. We're doing cold start hopefully today after about 10 years of sitting. Let's see what happens.
No exhaust on it for 10 years?
No exhaust. Full of air, that's sea solid.
Maybe. British Leyland engine.
How many cylinders is that?
4-cylinder.
4-cylinder.
British Leyland. Obviously had a lot of water in the exhaust. It's actually rotted through at the bottom.
Nice.
Somebody stole the original radiator.
Why would they steal a radiator?
Because it was brass and a copper core.
Shit.
Obviously it was valuable at the time. So we rigged this one up. A little bit of water, but it looks like more like milk to me.
Nice.
So that could tell me there's oil in the water.
Head gaskets.
But oh no, actually that's my eyes. It's just a reflection. It's just clean water. Just got to film on it.
Nice, right.
We'll give it a bit of love.
Yeah, get some water in it.
Get some water, put a battery on it, and see if it turns over. I did
Yeah.
see it.
So get some water in. Only the finest. I'm look around while he's doing that.
Yeah, get a shot inside the cab.
Nice. That one lady owner died about 40 years ago. Paint flakes on your head. She's got the backhoe, back actor, whatever you want to call it. See the undergrowth. Couple of buckets. Fresh battery.
Battery's on.
Cool. Yeah, gonna give it a go?
Yeah.
Okay. C
solid. You reckon C solid?
Yeah.
There's a possibility.
Didn't stun by now.
It's had 10 years of water down the exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
Well, we've got nothing to lose, have we?
Well, yeah, it is a well.
Keys seized in there, so it's been in there for 10 years.
Anti-theft.
Here we go.
Oh my god. Go on.
What?
Go on. Well, there's life in her. For the state of that belt. Yeah,
How? How is that fuel still good?
Well, it was smoking, so...
I know there's fuel in it. I think when I sat it up I put about 10's worth in it. Back in the day, so it's 50 quid's worth now.
Yeah.
Right. I'll go and put some revs on it.
Yeah, get some throttle on it. This is where it goes bang.
Yeah, possibly.
Standing.
Probably doing it all wrong. We should have checked oil then.
Yeah.
Right. Ready?
I'm moving back, yeah, go on. Oh my god. Actually sweet as a nut. Best of British.
Best of British. That was when we were still British.
Bring it back. All yours.
Yeah. Is that return pipe still on? Yeah, you do. Probably more steel in the bonnet.
Yeah. The hydraulic test. Get a drive in next.
Yeah. Maybe put the seat back in it.
And the steering wheel, I think.
We haven't got a steering wheel.
Oh, is that?
This is what's left of the steering pump.
Okay.
Basically,
Shagged.
this drove it. So what we had to do was put a hydraulic block on it. Use an arm for left and an arm for right.
Right.
John tried to fix these. See these?
The shim things.
Yeah. See, there's some missing. Basically, that fitted inside of there. Yeah. And you see how it's oval shaped.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, that creates the pressure sort
Creates
of thing.
the pressure.
Yeah.
Like that, look.
So need one of them before we can get driving.
Whether you'd get one of them, that's the thing.
No ideas.
You could probably get one off a later C3, 1977-ish. A C3.
What that is? Hydraulic steering unit type HS.12562000.
Give me that number.
Oh, interesting. Need to free the back brakes off. So, easiest way we can think to jack it up. chop the legs, pick it up itself, fingers crossed. The pipe. Yeah. Send this one up if you can. That's it, go on. Okay, lift her up on the bucket a bit. Oh, is that the one that's popped? Oh, that'll do ya. There's a main here. And the other one, and the other one. That'll do you, mate. Right, now we can drop her in. Yeah, drop her in gear. Lovely. Lovely. Will it stall if you try and put it in gear? Because that's locked up, the brakes. Oh no! Whole thing over there, isn't it? Yeah. The pulley thing.
All the wheels that's for now.
Yeah.
Well, the back one.
Yeah. That's it. Go on then. Now spinny this side. Seat stuck. Stuck on. Bugger.